Imagine this. You walk into a room, say something witty, flash a charming smile, and she doesn't even flinch. No laugh, no eye contact, nothing. Just cold, calculated silence. Congratulations. You've just activated one of the most powerful psychological triggers in human behavior. The "why is this person ignoring me?" paradox. Being ignored doesn't just get noticed, it stings. In the intricate realm of attraction, rejection wrapped in mystery acts like emotional dynamite, creating a powerful psychological reaction. Let's dive deeper into why being ignored, when done strategically, not sociopathically, can be a move of sheer psychological brilliance. The interplay of attention and absence can ignite curiosity, leading to a quest for understanding that is both compelling and captivating. The dopamine trap. Here's what's fascinating. The human brain thrives on novelty and unpredictability. When someone receives too much attention, their dopamine receptors can become dulled, leading to boredom. However, when you withhold attention, you suddenly transform into a scarce commodity, and scarcity is inherently attractive. Psychologists refer to this phenomenon as the intermittent reinforcement schedule. This is the same tactic that casinos utilize to keep patrons gambling. The sporadic bursts of attention amidst a backdrop of silence can lead to obsessive thoughts and cravings. When you ignore her, you're not merely being passive, you're engaging in a dance with dopamine. And trust me, you're winning this psychological game. This creates a tension that fosters anticipation, making her more eager for your next interaction as each moment of silence builds excitement. Reverse validation. Every time you engage with someone, you're essentially validating their existence and worth. But when you choose to ignore, that's psychological judo at its finest. It flips the script. Instead of her questioning, "How do I look?" she shifts her thoughts to, "Why isn't he noticing me?" This shift can lead to a spiral of self-doubt. Was it her hair, her tone, her overall vibe? You've introduced a layer of uncertainty, not through overt criticism, but through the absence of engagement. Now she finds herself chasing your validation, eager to understand why you've chosen to retreat. This process not only heightens her interest, but also enhances your perceived value as someone who is not easily won over. Mystery triggers. Obsession. Let's delve into the Zeigarnik effect, a psychological phenomenon that suggests people remember incomplete tasks better than those that are completed. When you ignore her, you create an open loop, a cliffhanger in the narrative of your interaction. Her brain craves closure, but instead of providing resolution, you maintain an air of elusiveness. Congratulations again. You've essentially turned into a human Netflix binge. She's drawn in, eager to uncover the next episode of your story. This sense of mystery can lead to a heightened emotional investment as she becomes engrossed in the narrative you've inadvertently created together. Indifference is intriguing. Consider attraction as a fire. Oxygen is its fuel. When you're too close, you risk smothering it. However, when you step back, that fire begins to gasp for air, intensifying its heat. This isn't mere detachment. It's a calculated absence designed to stoke curiosity. When she senses a lack of neediness, constant presence, or desperation from you, she begins to feel something more potent: curiosity. And curiosity is the fertile ground from which obsession can grow. This intrigue not only makes you more appealing, but also positions you as someone who is confident and self-sufficient, qualities that are widely sought after in relationships. Attention is currency. In the modern attention economy, most people find themselves financially broke in terms of genuine attention. With the incessant likes, comments, and swipes, everyone seems to be drowning in a buffet of validation. But what stands out? Silence. Ignoring someone amidst a sea of attention seekers is akin to entering a lively party and choosing to remain silent. Everyone notices. In that moment, you become a rare and precious asset, premium. This creates a sense of allure around you, as people are naturally drawn to things that seem unattainable. Your silence becomes a statement, a form of confidence that suggests you have more important matters to attend to than simply seeking validation. Psychological rejection hurts more than physical pain. This isn't just poetic exaggeration. A study from the University of Michigan has found that social rejection activates the same brain regions as physical pain. Therefore, when you choose to ignore her, you're not being cruel. You're triggering primal neural responses. She feels the sting of your absence, deeply. When the brain experiences pain, its instinct is to fix it, avoid it, and make it go away. How does it accomplish this? By re-establishing a connection with you. This deep-rooted response highlights the profound impact of social dynamics, emphasizing that emotional connections can be just as significant as physical ones. The law of least effort. In any relationship, whoever cares less typically holds more power. This isn't mere cynicism, it's grounded in game theory. By choosing to ignore her, you send a clear message. I have options. I'm not desperate. My attention is something that's earned, not given freely. This shift alters the power dynamic. Suddenly, you become the prize, and she finds herself in the role of the pursuer. This role reversal can be exhilarating for both parties, as it ignites a new level of engagement and interaction that was previously absent. But wait, isn't this manipulative? Only if your intent is to control rather than clarify. The objective isn't cruelty, it's contrast. Space generates clarity, while silence unveils truth. By ignoring her, you afford her the opportunity to reflect, reevaluate, and, possibly, reinvest in the dynamic between you. If she doesn't chase, perhaps she wasn't that into you in the first place. If she does, congratulations, you've unlocked a deeper level of psychological attraction. This approach not only empowers you, but also allows her to rediscover her feelings and intentions, enriching the potential for a meaningful connection. How long should you ignore her? There isn't a strict timer for this approach. It's less about duration and more about intention. Strategic silence proves most effective when it's unexpected. After a period of consistent engagement, suddenly withdraw, vanish, create space. This disruption in pattern catches her off guard and compels her to think about you, because now you represent an absence rather than a constant presence. And well-timed absence can often shout louder than any words could convey. This method becomes a powerful tool for building intrigue as she contemplates the reasons behind your sudden withdrawal. Signs, it's working. As you implement this strategy, you may start to notice certain signs that your approach is making an impact. She begins texting you first. She inquires with mutual friends about you. She posts more provocative content online, perhaps seeking your attention. She mentions feeling that you've been distant. She appears more agreeable, playful, or even jealous. These aren't mere coincidences. They are indicators of psychological shifts occurring as a result of your strategic approach. Each sign represents a small victory in the game of attraction, reinforcing your position and increasing her investment in the relationship. Use with caution. However, it's essential to tread carefully. Overdoing the act of ignoring can lead to irrelevance. Conversely, not ignoring enough can reduce you to just another fan in her life. Balance is key. Strategic ignoring should feel like a refreshing, cool breeze, not a cold war. She should feel your absence, but not your indifference. Striking this balance ensures that your actions remain intriguing rather than off-putting. allowing the relationship to develop in a healthy, dynamic way. Final thought: power lies in restraint. In a world that equates attention with affection, pulling back becomes a powerful move. It's not about being mean or manipulative, it's about becoming magnetic. Ignorance isn't merely bliss, it's a form of influence, intrigue, and allure. So the next time she walks into the room, resist the urge to jump in and impress her. Instead, take a moment to pause. Let the silence do the talking. Because sometimes the loudest way to be heard is to say nothing at all. This strategic restraint not only enhances your allure, but also sets the stage for a more profound and authentic connection, one that thrives on mutual respect and desire.